Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, the focus is on confirming plans and canceling politely. These are two very common situations in everyday English conversations. You will learn phrases that help you sound confident, natural, and respectful when making or changing plans. Confirming means making sure that plans are clear and agreed upon. It shows you are reliable and thoughtful. You usually confirm when someone invites you, sets a time to meet, or sends you details about a plan. Confirmation prevents confusion and helps both people stay organized. These are common ways to confirm plans in English. You can say, "I will be there," or "Yes, that works for me." Another way is, "I can make it at that time." You might also say, "Sounds good," or "See you then." Each of these phrases helps you clearly express that you understand and agree with the plan. Here is a simple conversation example. Person A asks, "Are we still meeting at 6 in the evening?" Person B replies, "Yes, I will be there. See you at 6. This shows how easy it is to confirm plans clearly and nicely. Sometimes, things change and you may need to cancel your plans. It is normal and can happen to anyone. The key is to do it politely and as early as possible. You cancel when you cannot attend a meeting, when something urgent comes up, or when you realize you will be late. Being respectful keeps good communication and trust. If you need to cancel, be polite and kind with your words. You can say, "I need to cancel our meeting," or "I am sorry something came up." You could ask, "Can we reschedule?" You may also say, "I will not be able to make it today," or "Let us find another time." These phrases show respect for the other person and help you stay positive while changing plans. Here is a short conversation using a polite cancellation. Person A asks, "Hey, are we still on for tomorrow?" Person B replies, "I am really sorry, I need to cancel. Something urgent came up." Person A answers, "No problem. Do you want to reschedule?" This is a good example of friendly and considerate communication. To summarize, confirming shows that you are reliable and clear. Canceling politely shows that you respect others' time. If you need to cancel, do it early and be kind. Offer to reschedule if possible. Always keep your tone friendly and sincere. Using these polite communication skills will help you sound more natural in English conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.